Hello everyone, this is Revopoint. Welcome to the first Revo Scan 6 tutorial. Starting with this video, we'll help you familiarize yourself with the new Revo Scan 6 interface. We'll go through each feature step by step and help you learn to master this new software. This video introduces the software and gives an overview of the interface to help you build a basic understanding of Revo Scan 6. Revo Scan 6 is the next generation of our 3D scanning and data processing software. It's compatible with some Revopoint scanners, such as the Pop 3 Plus or Mini 2. Revo Scan 6 builds on Revo Scan 5 by streamlining both scanning and post-processing workflows, alongside upgraded software interactions and refined visual experience. A new file management system has been added, featuring file grouping and a simplified one scan, one file workflow. Post-processing has been simplified with a new quick parameter interaction, allowing you to perform one-click processing using preset settings or to easily adjust and instantly apply settings via drop-down menus. Added a new drag-and-drop feature, which allows you to directly drag local scan files or models into the software to open them instantly and start your workflow. Added a system sound notification feature. The software will now play a sound to confirm when a task is finished. Launch the software, and you'll enter the file interface. On the left side of the interface is the group list. From the ungrouped list, you can start a new scan and name your file directly. Or click the plus icon below to create a new group, then start a new scan. Click Import Model to import local 3D models into the software for processing. Click Load Project to import local scan files or use Wi-Fi data transfer or USB data transfer to transfer files or models from external devices. All scan files are displayed in the bottom right area of the interface. You can customize your view with various filters, layouts, and sorting options. You can also search, rename, move, and delete files. And use the merging alignment function within this interface. If needed, click Calibration in the bottom left corner to calibrate the connected scanner. Click Options at the bottom to customize shortcuts or change your save path. Use the Language button to switch the interface language, and for manuals or online support, head to Help. If you have any issues, simply click Feedback in the bottom left corner. The first time you connect the scanner and launch the software, select New Scan. Choose the tracking mode according to the object type and name your scan file. Double-click a mode or click Confirm to enter the scanning page. A built-in onboarding guide is available for your first scan. In the scanning interface, you can configure your scan, including accuracy, object type, and camera exposure. You can also check the scanner's connection status here. Click Scanner Information in the top menu bar to view details about the connected device. You can also connect accessories like the dual-axis turntable. At the bottom of the scanning window, you'll see scan control buttons like Scan, Pause, Undo, and more. A shortcut for saving the files is located in the upper left corner of the interface. making it convenient to use. After the scan, enter the Edit interface for post-processing. Select One-Click Edit to apply default settings or customize via the drop-down menu. Alternatively, you can manually complete steps like point cloud fusion, meshing, and texture in sequence by clicking Point Cloud Fusion to process with the current preset point distance. Or you can adjust the point distance in the drop-down menu, then click Apply to begin the fusion. Once complete, use the point cloud editing tools in the menu bar to further refine the model. If you performed a color scan, you can apply texture data to the mesh after meshing. Click Merge Alignment in the top right corner to enter the model merging interface. The model and group list, located on the left side, provides a preview of all scan files in the current group. Click the plus icon to start a new scan, and you can also resume scanning, edit keyframes on raw data, or export models as point clouds or meshes. The bottom toolbar lets you edit the model using selection tools after point cloud fusion finishes. Go to View to adjust the model's display mode, view size, materials, and more. Click Help to access the user manual, online support, or submit feedback. In this video, we've provided a basic overview of the Revo Scan 6 interface. In future videos, we will explore key features and operations. Stay tuned for more in the Revo Scan 6 tutorial series. See you next time.